Good day everyone, I am here to discuss the silent crisis of urban heat islands in the Philippines. Urban heat islands, UHIS, are a growing environmental and health crisis in the Philippines. To protect communities, the government must promote greener urban planning, efficient infrastructure, and sustainable city design. Rapid urbanization has caused Philippine cities to become significantly warmer than nearby rural areas. In Cebu City, land surface temperatures have risen notably due to the loss of vegetation and expanding concrete spaces. Metro Manila also continued to experience increasing heat because of dense construction and shrinking green zone. This excessive heat worsens health risks and raises electricity use. Many Filipinos, especially those in low-income areas, suffer from heat stress and dehydration during the summer months. The higher energy demand for cooling also contributes to more greenhouse gas emissions. Efforts like projects GeoHeat aim to map and manage urban heat islands, but more actions is needed to make cities sustainable. Other countries such as Singapore have successfully reduced UHI effects through better city planning and more green spaces. With proper policies and strong leadership, the Philippines can achieve the same progress. The urban heat island problem is a silent but serious issue affecting many Filipinos. Through eco-friendly urban design, stricter land use policies, and public awareness, the country can build cooler, healthier, and more livable cities for the future.